How to remove first page number in Word document. To remove the page number from the first page of a Word document but keep it on a subsequent pages, you can follow these steps. Firstly, open your Microsoft Word and go to the file. Now here I have written something on my first page, and in order to remove the page number, you can see I have not added the page number yet. Now all you have to do is tap on the Insert tab option available in the top. Then click on the page number, then tap on the page number again, and here choose a location, example top or bottom of the page, and once you do so, you can see there is option available, show number on first page. If you toggle that off, then it will not show the number on your first page. So here you can see it has started from your second page. But if you want to insert the number and remove it, then you can simply go to the same step, checkbox the same option available there and tap on the OK. Now in order to remove it, again go to the same page number and checkbox off the show the number on first page, and again apply the changes. So this is how easy it is. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.